Welcome to a day in the life of a steel detailer. It's a world where architectural vision transforms into structural reality, millimeter by millimeter. Steel detailing is the backbone of construction, ensuring that every bee, bolt, and weld fits perfectly before a single piece of steel is cut. The day begins with the morning kickoff. It's about checking progress, reviewing project updates, and diving back into the digital model. First, we review requests for information and coordination notes from the design team. Coordination is key in the early hours. Now, we enter the core of our work, 3D modeling in Tekla Structures. This is where the virtual building truly comes alive. We start by laying out the primary structural members, the columns and beams that form the building's skeleton. Precision is everything. We aren't just placing shapes, we are defining the exact mechanical behavior of every joint. Every bolt hole and every plate thickness must adhere to the engineer's requirements and international steel standards. Using specialized macros and custom components helps us maintain consistency across thousands of unique connections. Efficiency meets accuracy as we automate repetitive detailing tasks, allowing us to focus on the most complex design challenges. Take this roof truss, for example. It's a puzzle of hundreds of components that must withstand immense loads and stresses. We visualize every interaction, ensuring there is enough room for a wrench to tighten those bolts on the job site. Mid-morning is for validation. We cross-reference our 3D progress against the latest architectural and structural design documents. Finding a discrepancy now saves thousands of dollars in wasted fabrication and field fixes later. We are the first line of defense. When a problem arises, we communicate. We use the model as a visual aid to help the entire team understand the challenge. It's about being proactive. We don't just report problems, we propose solutions that keep the project moving forward. This is where BIM, Building Information Modeling, truly shines. We coordinate our steel with every other trade in the building. Clash detection allows us to virtually build the project, identifying and resolving interferences before they happen in reality. Even during a short break, the digital work continues, processing the massive amounts of data that modern steel structures require. The afternoon often shifts to miscellaneous steel, the smaller, often more intricate components that add character to a building. These elements require a different kind of finesse, blending structural necessity with high-end architectural aesthetics. Quality control is a continuous process. Every part we model must be accurately represented in the fabrication drawings. We use automated checking tools to ensure that no detail, no matter how small, is overlooked before we output the data. Our digital models go straight to the shop. We generate CNC data that tells the machines exactly how to cut, drill, and notch the steel. This direct model-to-machine workflow eliminates manual layout errors and significantly speeds up the fabrication process. Next, we produce the shop drawings, the blueprints that the shop crew will use to assemble the various steel components. Clear, concise drawings are vital. They must communicate every instruction clearly to ensure a smooth assembly in the shop. We also create the erection drawings, the maps that the field crews use to piece the giant steel puzzle together on site. Planning the erection sequence helps ensure safety and efficiency during the most critical phases of construction. Detailers work hand in hand with fabricators. We understand the capabilities of the shop and design for their specific machines. Today's shops are increasingly digital. Fabricators use our 3D models on the shop floor to clarify complex assemblies in real time. The structural engineer of record relies on us to interpret their design intent accurately and safely into every connection. A successful submittal process is built on trust, clear communication, and a shared goal of structural excellence. In detailing, change is constant. A late-stage design revision can ripple through thousands of parts in an instant. Our ability to adapt quickly and accurately is what keeps a project on schedule when the design evolves midstream. We master a suite of sophisticated tools, from 3D modeling software to specialized coordination and management platforms. Modern detailing often involves custom programming, tailoring our tools to solve unique geometric or data challenges. Every project is unique. One week, we're detailing a high-rise office tower. The next, it's a sprawling industrial facility. This variety keeps us sharp, constantly challenging our understanding of geometry and structural logic. Detailers often work globally. We coordinate with teams and project sites across different time zones and languages. Cloud-based collaboration allows us to bring the best expertise to a project, regardless of where the detailer is sitting. Our models even reach the job site via augmented and virtual reality, helping field crews plan their work with unprecedented clarity. Verifying site conditions against the digital model ensures that when the steel arrives, it fits the first time, every time. The impact of our work is lasting. We aren't just making drawings, we are defining the bones of the world around us. From iconic skyscrapers to vital infrastructure, our precision is hidden within every structure you see. It's a career of lifelong learning. The technology evolves, the designs get bolder, and we grow right along with them. From a junior modeler to a senior project lead, the path of a detailer is one of increasing complexity and responsibility. The future of detailing is even more automated. Artificial intelligence is beginning to assist us in optimizing designs for weight and cost. Our models are becoming more than just geometry. They are data-rich digital twins that track a building's entire life cycle. As the day winds down, we perform one last review. We check our milestones and prepare the handovers for the fabrication shop. There's a deep satisfaction in seeing the day's progress reflected in a more complete, more accurate 3D model. Detailers are the unsung heroes of the construction world. We bridge the gap between imagination and physical reality. It's a profession of quiet pride, knowing that your precision is keeping people safe and structures standing for generations. Tomorrow will bring new challenges, new geometries, and new opportunities to innovate behind the screens. The world of steel never stops moving, and neither do we. Precision, creativity, and the passion for building. That's our day. So next time you walk into a soaring lobby or across a massive bridge, look up. You're seeing the results of thousands of hours of detailing. Thank you for joining us inside the world of steel detailing, where every millimeter counts and every screen tells a story. This has been Behind the Screens. If you're interested in the world of BIM and structural engineering, stay tuned for more. Like and subscribe to follow our journey through the digital skeleton of our world. Until next time, keep modeling. Engineering the future, one connection at a time.